Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use this zip tie to make your exhaust valves open all the time for that real throaty BMW sound. Let's get started. Okay, so underneath the exhaust here on the passenger side, you're going to see this little diaphragm, which is what's actually controlling the valves of this little vacuum tube right here. So what I'm going to do is just get a zip tie and go ahead and wrap it around. What you're going to do is compress that valve down so that it's always open. And there it is, all the way open. And just like that, with a simple zip tie, your BMW X5 exhaust has a lot more throatier sound, which you're pretty much used to with a lot of the other BMW models. This has no effects on the car, it just has a better sound, so no check engine lights, no emission issues or anything like that. It's completely reversible. If you don't like the sound, you just clip the zip tie, and this pretty much free mod will just be making you smile all day long as you drive down the road. So hope this helps. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. I've got some more videos coming and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.